Hello, everyone. You are welcome back to today's webinar. It's good to see you again or to meet you again for another episode. I really want to appreciate everyone that have been attending this webinar. Each time we call for webinar, you are always there. Without you, there is no us. We want to appreciate you for always joining us. Today's webinar is the kind of webinar that you might not forget anytime soon because there's a lot of things I'm going to be unveiling to you today. And we've been putting a lot of things together here in OT Academy. We've been putting a lot of work together, which I'm going to be showing you today. And I want you to sit back. You can get a bottle of water, like I used to do. This is mine. You can get a bottle of water. You are going to learn a lot today, and I'll be fast as possible. Just and one thing I can tell you is, can never be a waste of time, and I'm not going to waste your time tonight. So, because of the people that are just joining us for the first time, I would love to introduce myself. My name is Olaoluwa Bamitale. They call me FS Solution because when it comes to this space, I'm a solution provider. When it comes to space of forex trading, I'm a solution provider, and you will see it for yourself. So to the glory of God, I'm the managing director of OTE Traders and OTE Academy. I have been trading for over 8 years. I have over 8 years trading experience. I've been in this industry for a while. And aside from that, I work for three different brokers as a staff of three different brokers. So I have, like I used to say, I have the front end experience and the back end experience, like being a staff of a forex broker and being a trader, which is the front end experience. I'm a software developer, an algo trader, an MQL programmer. So I design everything you see, the website, the software, everything you see here, I designed them by myself with my team. So I'm a software developer and I'm a programmer. We are not the kind of person that design trading, but there are some companies that they will call some people and design software for us so that we can sell it. We don't do that here. We design it ourselves. Everything you see here, we design. So my journey is actually from selling insurance in the street of Lagos to becoming the managing director of this company, OTE. I remember when I started forex trading, it wasn't easy. I can tell you for the first 3 years when I started forex trading, I will tell you more when we proceed. So it wasn't easy for me. And it was one of my boss in insurance that actually told me about forex trading. And he was like, I'm a young guy, I can do it, I should try it out. He convinced me many times. And to God be the glory, I took that opportunity to go into forex trading. At a point, I regretted, why do I have to do this? But now I'm benefiting from it. And one of the things forex trading has really changed a lot for me as a person, which I believe someone might be on this call and forex trading is going to do the same for you. As at 2020, the highest money as a man I've ever in my life received was, I think it was 85,000 naira. 85,000 naira was the highest money I've ever received in my life. And the 85,000 naira was actually given to me by a woman that got a life insurance claim for her mother. So her mother picked a life insurance, her mother passed, and I was able to process the insurance. And the woman gave me 85,000 naira. And before then, the highest salary or the highest money I've ever earned was below 50,000 naira. After, it's not that I wasn't working, I was working like elephant, and at the end of the day, the result wasn't coming forth. But thank God I met Forex trading, everything changed. And let me even shock you. In 2021, the money I made in 2021 alone through Forex trading, if you add all the money I've made, I calculated 2015. If you add all the money I've made from 2015 till 2025 years, I made more than, don't let me give you the figure. I made multiple of it. I made more than what I've made in 5 years, more than it in multiple fold in just 1 year of forex trading, successful forex trading year. So that is what I'm telling you. And for those that might say, this guy that is talking, because a lot of people can actually say different things, flaunt cars, they are the forex trader. Some of them they are not forex trader, they are forex entrepreneur. So I'm going to show you what I've done for myself. I'm going to show you my results. I don't just come here and make mouths. I can do this, I'm making money, I'm doing this. No. In forex trading, if you actually know, if you understand forex trading, you know that people cannot hide in forex trading. If you're a good forex trader, you should have something to show, not empty for, not screenshot. So I have what we call my FS book. It's an audited website where you can audit your trading performance for people to see. I'm going to show you, but I know a lot of people are still going to join us, so I'm going to wait towards the end of or the middle of this event. I will show you what I've done for myself, and you will see by yourself. So for those that might be thinking, what is forex trading? I'm just hearing it for the first time. I'll very fast with this. Forex trading, from the word forex is foreign exchange. That's what we do. Like we exchange one currency to the other, and simply electronic way of buying and selling or investing in global financial market through brokerage platform. Brokerage platform they are just like our banks where we do transaction with in the forex space. And we have different financial assets like currency, commodity, global share indices, and major cryptocurrencies that we actually trade. This was what changed my life, and this is what is changing my life: forex trading. And I can tell you what you've been doing wrong at the end of this event. I can show you the way out. I can tell you, I can show you the light that is at the end of the tunnel, and I can take you, hold you by the hand and take you there. It's not that there is light at the end of the tunnel and you might be there for forever. You just be seeing light at the end of the tunnel, and the tunnel will look like forever. But I will actually hold you by the hand and take you to the end of the tunnel through this forest space. A lot of us here, I believe we are here to make another stream of income. We want to create another stream of income for ourselves. I know some of us are bankers, we are businessmen, businesswomen, we are nurse, we are doctor, we are different field. You want to create another stream. If you are here because you want to create another stream of income for yourself, please type yes in the comment section. Let me know, maybe I'm talking to like mind. If you know you are here because you want to create another stream of income, you want to diversify, that's why you are here. Type yes in the comment section. If you know you are here, type yes. Thank you so much. Yeah, we are here because we want to create another stream of income for ourselves. And that is why a lot of people have gone into forex trading. A lot of people have gone into forex trading with the hope of creating another stream of income for themselves. But guess what happened? A lot of people have gotten their finger burns. I know some people, when they say forex trading, this nonsense business. That's what comes to a lot of people's mind. And it's not their fault. People's hand has gotten burnt. I got my finger burnt for 3 years when I joined this space. So I tried so many things. Maybe one of the things I've tried, that is what you are still trying. So with my knowledge, with my experience, I can show you this is not the way. I've tried this thing you are doing, it's not working. This is what is working. So that will save you the stress of many years and all that. So a lot of people have gone to their finger burns while trying to get another stream of income for themselves. And guess what? They got frustrated. Some people are still frustrated because of forex trading now. They don't want to hear it. They've lost it all. I've seen a lot of people when I was working with broker. They've lost a lot of money. And guess what? Some of them, they will still come back with the money. They will still trade it. They will still trade. And they will still keep on losing it. And there is one common mistake that a lot of them, everybody are making, and which was what I actually put together that gave me the way out in this forest space, which I'm going to be showing you today. So if you type this on Google, the percentage, what's the percentage of successful forest trader from statistics, you will get discouraged from even coming near forest trading. I can tell you for free. See this place, 90 to 95% lose money in forest trading over the long time. They lose money. It's not lie. It's actually true. Since I work for broker, I can count the number of people that make consistent profit. And there's a reason why a lot of people lose money from forex trading. So you need to sit back and ask yourself that if everybody are actually losing money in forex trading, and you look at, okay, what is it that what are we doing? Then you can sit back and look, okay, if everyone is doing this, I need to do something different to get a different result. We can't all continue to do the same thing over and over and get a good result or get the same result. You just have to have a different approach, and that is what we focus on here in OTE. We have a different approach to everything, and I'm going to show you. You are going to see. So now you understand a lot of people are in your shoes looking for another stream of income, but getting their finger burned. Let me show you this. This is what most people are not actually paying attention to because they are doing the forex trading on their phone. They they forgot the people that are in the market on this your phone, because forex trading is something you can do with your phone or your laptop. Buy, you just click buy, you click sell. In that market, there are a lot of people. If you understand the people there, you'll be scared to even go to the market and click buy and sell yourself. These are the people we have in the market every blessed day. And I forgot, the market cap as of today is over 7 trillion US dollars. Is $1 trillion business. And you can make any amount from this business if you actually do it the right way. So we have all the central bank in the world, they are in the market. I hope you are getting it. All the banks in the world, central bank, institutional investor, all the commercial banks in the world, they're in this market as well. Or most of the companies, a lot of companies are there. Then this is where we fall. Individuals, that's where we fall. And we are like the bottom of the table. Let me show you the table. So the banks and financial institutions, they carry the 40% of it. We are, in terms of number, we are numerous. But how much is our money? $100, $1,000, $500, $10,000 out of the trillions we have in the market. But these guys, they have the largest money in the market. They might not be as much as we are, but they have a lot of money, followed by the corporation like the companies, hedge funds. Then this is where we fall. Just 10%. 10%. 10%, that's our percentage in this market. With all the money you say, someone for $10,000. So any penny you make from this market, to make any penny from this market, you need to outsmart these guys, these banks, corporations. You need to outsmart them because they are the one that controls the market. Any little fund from them will change the direction of the market. Any little position they execute will change the market. So you need to outsmart them for you to make money from the forex market. So it's not about being in the market. It is about being prepared for what is in the market. So, and this is the journey most forex traders take when it comes to this business. A lot of people, a lot of you on this call, on this meeting, will have definitely followed one of these paths or all of these paths. Someone like me, I've followed all of these paths. I know many people are here, they follow all of these paths. Let's pick them one after the other. The first one is you get someone to trade for you, giving them money. But guess what? A lot of people can collect your money and use your money to buy Lamborghini. Add your money to the money they use without trading for you. The worst is to give money to someone just like this. Just like they giving money to someone, please trade for me. You didn't even create a trading account and give the login details. Even though you're giving the login details, they still end up blowing your account. Forex trading is not like it's not like university that you have first class, second class, you have something to show for. So someone in forex trading with maybe third class can package himself or herself and say, he's a first class student in forex trading. You won't know because there is no evidence. Actually, we have evidence, but most people are not even aware of the evidence to ask, show me proof. They don't know the proof to ask for. Like I said, I'm going to show you my own proof that you can verify, verifiable proof, which I'm going to show you. So you've given money to people to trade for you. Because you don't know how to trade. You believe they are better than you do. They promise you a return. Don't worry, we make this for you. At the end of the day, they blow your account. I remember, I think around 2019 or thereabout. There's this Pakistan guy. His name is Salu. So Salu just chatted me one day, I think on Telegram. Bro, you have account I can trade for you. Then I'm still struggling. I gave him account. I think $100 or thereabout. I gave to this Pakistan guy. Before, let's say before evening time, our own time, I have seen my $100 in. Total amount is now, the guy had made additional 150 on it. We have 250 in the account. I was so happy. That was the first time I have a sound sleep. I went to bed. I was dreaming of what I'll use the money for. Guess what? I woke up in the morning. Salon has blown the account. When we are sleeping, I think Pakistan, their own time is different. When we are sleeping, I think they are awake or something. The guy has blown the account by the time I woke up. He said, bro, the market's bad, bad, hard money. I nearly cried. And I went to bed like a baby, like, wow, finally I made money from forex trading. And this has been story of many people. And I can ask, how many of you have ever paid someone to trade? I know a lot of people have done that here. And this is one of the pathways most people follow. The second one is, I will just trade it myself. This one, practically everybody that have traded forex might have done this. After giving your money to someone, you are disappointed. Let me just do this thing myself. At the end of the day, you watch YouTube videos today, TikTok strategy tomorrow, new indicator. Some people, you see their charts, MP4 charts, it look like spaghetti and indomie. Different indicator, different lines, busy and everything. At the end of the day, it's not bringing forth the money. So these are the parts. You change new mentor every month, new mentor every month, just because you want to make money. You want to create another stream of income for yourself. And I believe a lot of people have watched over 100 hours of forex video. At the end of the day, the result is not coming forth. No consistency. So another part is trade signals. It's Telegram signal. You decide that I don't need to learn, I just want to follow signal. You tell you, don't worry, join our Telegram group. I've never seen anybody that have been successful following Telegram group. Hardly, I doubt. I remember one of my clients when I was in Brook FM. There's one Telegram group he was following. Them. He was making money, 1,000, like 2,500, almost 3,000. I told him to withdraw. He refused. I know he's going to 5,000. He wants to have something. Lo and behold, when the losing streak started coming, he ended up losing everything. He even went back to go and put in more money. He added money like 4 or 5 times before he now said Forex is a scam. So this has been like a general thing when it comes to Forex trading. So people join Telegram groups, some traders even get introduced. This one is the most annoying part. A lot of people will tell me I'm trading Forex. By the time you see it, it's pocket option they are trading or binary option while looking for Forex signal. But they will not know because they are seeing Euro USD. There's one app, you just click. You are not doing Forex. You are doing binary option. You are doing pocket option, which is not Forex. I don't want to dwell on that. And some people you see their Telegram notification, hundreds of notifications from different signals they've joined. And some people might decide to do copy trading. This one is common, or practically every broker has this. Let me do copy trading. And you have $100. You'll be copying someone with $10,000, $100,000, or you have $1,000 copying someone. At the end of the day, a lot of people have tried, even some brokers, the execution speed, the master will place trade before he executes on the master has already closed it. The master will be making profit, you will be making losses. Or you even said, oh, you don't want to lose more than 30% of your account. At the end of the day, you wake up, all your account is gone, and you can't hold anybody accountable. And this one is what most people are doing now. Yeah, they said trading bot is good. Trading bot is what is making money now. And a lot of people will go to Telegram channel. I want to buy bot. You see one guy selling bot $50. They will go and pay money. Let me buy. See, let me tell you, there's a lot of things most people are not aware of when it comes to trading bots. There is nobody that will code that will own a bot, design the bot that will sell it for $50. And there's a way you can actually, I don't know if I can show you. There's a way you can know if the bot is pirated. If you drag the bot, for example, for those that know how to use bot, you see the name of the program. For example, it's our bot, you see OT Academy, OT Trader. You see our name there in the about of the bot. So we have a lot of pirated bots, and there are some things which maybe I might tell you regarding pirated bots. And let me tell you another secret that most people don't know. This is the secret that most people are not aware of when it comes to using of pirated trading bots. Most trading bots, I can tell you from my experience, hardly will you see a trading bot that cannot make money. Let me come again. Hardly will you see a trading bot that cannot make money. Hardly will you see a trading bot that cannot make money. But the problem is this, before you get excited, the problem is this. How long can he continue to make the money? That's where the problem is. You can get a bot today, put it on your account before you say Jack, it has doubled your account. And that is what a lot of people are looking for. So, but the problem is not can it make money? That is what most people are looking for. And that is the question they are asking. Can this bot make money? Yes, practically from my experience, over 90% or 95% of all the trading bots we have can make money. But this is the cycle. They make money today. By tomorrow or next week, they will wipe off all the accounts. Even though you place withdrawal, you can't bring money because you've seen that you make money. You go and put in more money, you put in more money, you put in more money. That has been the cycle of most trading bots. And those guys on Telegram, they are aware. They know that this bot is not good. They will just give it to you $50. You buy it, you put it on your account. Maybe the first week you are lucky, you make money for you. You'll be jubilating. You trust the bot, you have so much trust in the bot, you put in a lot of money and boom, it will wipe off your account. And the reason why they are doing that, most of them, they are not really paying attention. Even some will give you the bot for free. They will send a link to you to register with their broker. Yes, they will do that because they want to. There is so many things associated with it. Let me just tell you, they want to make you busy. They want to the bot to trade, high volume. They give you. That's what they are looking for. They are not interested in the bot. They just do that for you, and you don't even have their phone number. You don't have anything. Anything you say, they block you. They move on to the next target. And this has been the cycle of most people. Even you don't know the developer, you told you how to know the name of the developer. You drag it, you know how to use trading bot. You can see the name of the developer. Maybe the developer is Ben Johnson. You drag it, you are seeing one Russian name or something, you know the guy, the person is not the owner of the bot. We check all our bots we build there. You see our name there, OTE Academy, OTE Trader. We design like I told you. Yeah. So this has been the cycle of many people looking for another stream of income. Then they started asking, is there money in forex trading? At a point we ask, is there money in forex trading? At a point I ask, if you've not asked this question, then maybe you've not really gotten your finger burnt. I remember, I think sometimes June, I think maybe 2nd of June 2019, I circled my calendar and I told myself that today I'm stopping forex trading final. I deleted everything related to forex trading. All the groups, I deleted it, MT4, MT5, all the ebooks, I wiped them off. I stopped because I asked this question, is there money in forex trading? And it looks as if people cannot make money, they can't beat the market. Not until I found out something. And also, I also asked this question, which I know a lot of people are asking now. Are there successful forex trader? I know you will have seen a lot of people, if you're in Nigeria, using this, driving the latest car, flaunting private jet and all that. A lot of people are actually forex entrepreneur. There is no crime in being a forex entrepreneur. The same way you are looking for another stream of income, most of us that are into forex trading, we diversify. There are more than 8 other businesses or 9 other businesses which we teach in our academy that you can do aside from this buying and selling that most people are aware of that can give you a lot of money as well. So there is no crime in it. But where I'm having issue is that a lot of them are not forex traders. They just package things for you, and because they push themselves out there for you, they are living a big lifestyle. You want to belong to their clique, and you fall for it. They are not truly forex traders. They don't make their money is not coming from forex trading. That is what I'm telling you. It's not coming from forex trading. It's coming from forex as a whole, like maybe doing some other business associated with forex trading, but it's not coming from the trading itself. And don't forget, I told you I'm going to show you. I don't just make them out. I show you results, which I'm going to show you as we proceed. What I did for myself, what I'm doing for myself, I'm going to show you everything. So the answer is yes. Is there money in forex trading? Yes. Are there successful people in forex trading? Yes. There are successful people in forex trading. And here is the real problem that most people enter forex thinking it is easy. See, let me tell you, forex trading is not. It's not. It might look easy to you where you click on your phone and you place buy and sell on your phone, but forex trading is not actually easy the way you look at it. So it takes time. If you want to go through the route of learning, doing different things, you get your finger burnt, you learn, you fall, you do different things before you can, if you follow the right path, before you can start seeing light at the end of the tunnel. But at the end of the day, if you are just moving, not following the right path, you just be moving one cycle, moving one cycle. At the end of the day, a lot of people will give up. I know people who started Forex together, they are nowhere to be found today. It's not by my power though, it's the grace of God. So Forex trading is supposed to help your money work for you. But most people, it becomes where their money disappears. Yes, a lot of people have gotten their finger burned. And the problem is not the opportunity, the problem is how people are trading. I'm going to show you some things why most traders, why they fail in this. Number one on my list is the emotion. Like I said in my previous webinar, you can learn everything in the world. I can teach you everything in the world. There is one thing I can't teach you or you can't learn. It's your emotion. Emotion is not something you can learn. Someone can train you because emotion is who you are. You might enter trade, you are seeing it, it's about to hit my take profit. Your hand is shaking, your body is shaking. Oh, you are losing money. That's your emotion. Like I used to say, some people they might see their account, they might have let's say 10,000, they might say minus 8,000. They will behave normal. They will talk normal. You might not even see it on their face. They might not see it. But some people they have just $200 and it's minus $20. Hey, my money is going. They'll be purging. Hey, that's one thing you can never learn. Emotion, human being, you can learn everything, but your emotion is whom you are. It's not something you can learn. It's not something someone can train you. So that is one of the main reasons why people fail. The second one is most people they don't follow rules, and it still boils down to the emotion. You are not supposed to close the trade, but you don't know when you close it. Some people over leveraging. They told you lot size cannot buy Benz. You want to use your $100 to make 1 million, $1 million. You want to become the modern day George Soros. At the end of the day, you get your finger burnt multiple times. I've seen people when I was working for broker. I've seen people run into big debt because of forex trading. As they are blowing account, they are looking for another money. Blowing account, they are looking for another money because of forex trading. And revenge trading, I lost money. I need to make it back. I will make it back. Revenge trading. And they jump from strategy to strategy. One thing I found out is this. If you are not taking anything, take this. Forex trading, I do tell my students, the main reason, aside from emotion, which is not trainable, the main reason why people lose money in forex trading, aside from your emotion, the main reason is that most people, the strategy you think is the only great you are using to trade, that smart money concept they taught you, that indicator they taught you, that which other any strategy you are using, how sure are you the strategy is profitable? This is where the problem is. Most people are not aware that the strategy they are using is not profitable because the strategy made $500 for you this week doesn't mean the strategy is good. I'm speaking from a place of experience. If you give me I've never seen anybody since I've been coding bots that has given me their strategy they used to trade. And I program the strategy and say, wow, this strategy is good. In the long run, the strategy can make profits. Maybe the first 2 months or make some profits on do you get? But if you check it in the long run, it will decline. You backtest it with maybe $1,000 at the end of the day, you see the money, maybe if your account didn't get blown, you see it in 450 or 400. It will decline. And if you check the graph, there will be some time that the money has moved from $1,000 to almost 2,005 or to 3,000. You check the graph, it might move to 3,000, even 4,000 in some cases. But along the line, you start losing money, you push up again, start losing money, you push up again. That has been the problem. But because people they don't know how to actually know if their strategy is working, they don't know how to backtest it, they don't know how to program their strategy to backtest it. They don't know that this strategy is good. And any loss they make, they keep packing up like passing up the excuses. Don't worry, maybe because I slept off. I supposed to put the stop loss here. I supposed to do this. The strategy most people are using, most of the strategy are not tradable. They are not profitable. They are tradable, but they are not profitable. And that is a secret I find out when I started coding bots. So if I'm designing a bot to get a strategy to work for a long time, you can sometimes I might code the bot for more than 3 to 4 months, doing the strategy, changing, optimizing, doing different things. And that same strategy, somebody will just pick and start buying and selling with it. At the end of the day, they will lose money. The big problem in forex trading is not strategy, it is human behavior. Like I said, emotion. Let's even put, even though you have the best strategy, your emotion is the number one thing. If you can't train your emotion, even though they give you the best strategy in the world, you will still not be profitable if you don't train your emotion. And there's no way you can train your emotion because emotion is whom you are. Like that is you yourself. And like they say, to every problem in life, there is a solution. I won't just give you the problem without showing you the way out. So now we've known so many things. Then what is the way forward? I know a lot of your life you've been saying so many things. What's the way forward? How do I remove emotion from trading? That's what you'll be asking. How do we trade with discipline? I know I can't follow rules. How do we follow the rules 100%? And this is what that led us to developing trading algorithm and trading bots. Because trading bots, forget it, they follow the rules to the latter. And look at this picture. You can either choose to follow the path, maybe the hard work or the smart work. If you look at these two picture, these people by the left, they are doing the same farming. This other one too is farming. But this first one, they put physical exhaustion, consume time. At the end of the day, low and consistent result is what they get. But see, this one, the leverage on technology. That's why some people have. Do you trading bot cannot make money to blow my account? The question I used to ask them, since you've been trading, how much have you made from trading? They say, I made money from trading. I made money. Please, I want you to ask yourself this question. You don't have to tell me. You can ask that. If you ever traded though, but if you've not traded, you can. But if you've traded Forex, you can ask yourself, all the money I put in Forex, have I made more than that from Forex trading? You ask yourself that question. And to be sincere, most people have seen if they put $10,000 in forex trading, maybe the money they made from forex trading might be like $2,000. They they've lost a lot of money in forex trading. So it's now time for you to decide: do you want to follow the hard way or the smart way? And that will lead us to my result. I've been talking. I know a lot of people say, "Ah, this guy have been talking." Let me show you what I've done for myself. So this is what we call my FS book. This is my FS book. So if you call yourself a trader, every trader should have my FS book. These are my trading software. You can see different software. You can see their gains. You can see the daily. You can see the monthly. So these are the software that I have. I'm using. I've built. I'm still using. I'm trading with. These are the software I have. But I can't be. Let me to save you time. Let me show you the summary because at the end of the year they give us summary of what we've done for the whole year. The money we've made, they give us the summary. So let me show you my summary for last year. What I did from forex trading, like the trading itself, not the business side of trading, because you can do business side of trading, you can do different things. So this is what I made last year from forex trading, not the business now. This is just the main trading itself. I know so some people will say, "Ah, this is how much is this? This is a token." Like, yes, it might be a token to you. But I just told you, you join me from the beginning of this webinar. I said that at 2020, the highest money I made as a man, like the highest salary was below 50,000 naira. That was the highest salary. And the highest money I made was given to me by a client who gave me 85,000. That was the highest money I've seen in my life. But guess what? By 2021, all the money I made more than all the money I've made from 2021 downward. Like, is it downward now? Like 2021, 2020, 2019, like that. I made more than that in just 1 year. In just 1 year through forex trading. So this kind of money might not this a token. It's actually big. And this was what I made from just trading itself. And this is total return on investment that I did. So this is what I want to show you. I traded because I love trading gold. You can see most profitable trade is gold. And all my trades is gold. I place over 5,177 trades that are gold. So, and all these trades are not placed manually. I use software algorithm to do them. All my software. So my software was able to place 9,705 trades last year, 2025. We made 74.2% in profit, like, and we lost only 25.8%. The goal is not that you will not make losses at all. You always make profit. No, that's not the goal. The goal is to make more than you lose. We lose some, we win some, but the win must be more than the losses. So that's the goal. This is what I've done for myself. You can see my FS book, 2025 forex trading personnel. This is my own audited result from forex trading, not the business now, not the OT being the MD of OT now. This is just me trading, my personal trading. So let's proceed. This is what I've done for myself, and like I said, you can see all the tools I've been using. Let's proceed. So trading bots, they trade without emotion. That's one of the things about them. They trade without emotion. They follow the rule 100%. What you ask them to do, they do it, provided you give them the right instruction. They trade 24 hours. They are there while you are sleeping. Risk management, consistency, and it's good for busy people and for beginners, even professionals. Trading bots can save you a whole lot. But let me show you why trading bot lose money. I know some people are trading bot, does it lose money? Yes, trading bot can lose money also. But why do they lose money? The first one is bad brokers. See, there's a whole lot. I told you I worked for brokers for 5 years. There's a whole lot when it comes to broker firm that most people out there are not aware of. We have a lot of bad brokers. A lot of bad brokers that we have. So most brokers, especially in this part of the world, in Africa, we have what we call the A book and the B book. So the big book is um I'm trying to look. I don't want to use big term. I'm trying to look for the A book are the ones that have liquidity provider. They are really taking your orders to the market to the liquidity provider where the trading is taking place. But the big book, they are doing it within because they know 90% of people will definitely lose money now. So they don't want to give the money to the bank. So they just package it like, oh, these people will lose the money. They know you are going to lose it. So once you trade, but once they see that you are making money, they push you to the A book. That's how most brokers operate. When they see that you are making profit, they push you. Or you fund one big amount and they are not sure maybe you are going to make big profit or something, they push you to the A book. That's how they operate. But now in Africa, most brokers we have, they are just B books. They don't even have A book. And that is why some people might lose money, brokers. There are so many things, slippages, manipulations, different things that you can get from brokers. And one of the things I do tell people that are looking for a broker, you don't go to, I know if you want to get a good broker, what most people go, let me go to all those reviewing sites. I do tell you, those reviewing sites, they are they, ah, they are corrupted already. I was working for a particular broker, one of the reviewing sites, I don't want to mention it, whereby you people gave honest review about this broker. The broker wasn't that good. They gave honest review about the broker. And the broker had about 2.5 over 2.5 over 5 bad review. The people we reach out to them or they reach out to us, then we pay $10,000 and they clear all the bad reviews. And the broker jumped from 2.5 to 4.5 or thereabout after the transaction thing. And you go there, you'll be seeing good reviews. Now this broker is good. So we did a lot of research and we're able to get some brokers, but this is the one I'll be showing you today. We have like two brokers we use, but because of time, we use Forex. I love this broker. They've been in existence for over 16 years. I did a lot of research about them. I even reached out to their liquidity provider. Also, they have one of the things I love about them is their fast execution, order execution. Our bot is working. Sometimes if we have two different broker, maybe we use one of our bots in this broker, we use with RoboForex. The one with RoboForex can place like 10 trades, while the other one plays like maybe like 6 or sometimes 4 because of the fast execution. That's why I decided to stay with them because of this fast execution. For your bot to work very well, you need a fast start execution. And why I love them is this broker is actually designed for trading bot from the name robot. Do you get it? Designed for trading bot. They have one of the best execution, fast withdrawal and deposit, and they give free VPS. If you are our client, they give you free VPS for the first month. Free VPS. And their VPS is very cheap compared to the one we buy. Maybe some of the VPS we use before we made them, maybe we pay $25 per quarter or thereabout. That's the normal VPS we use. But with them, the first month you get it for free. And if you're able to meet up with the lot size requirement, you can get it for free forever. But I don't stress my clients. Now, okay, let's meet up with that. Because why you are trying to meet up with lot size, and that is what most of these guys, that's what they do. They want to lot size. We don't do that here. We don't bombard accounts. Yeah, I want to meet up with this lot size. At the end of the day, get account wiped off. So these are contact person. You can just do a screenshot of this place. These are contact person, Mr. Cyril. You can just reach out to him on WhatsApp that from OTE. You can register here. This is roboforex.com. If you want to open an account for them. These are partner code if you want to use it. These are partner code. And this is their website. This is how it looks like. You go to open an account. So you put your email address, your name, your phone number. I have a partner code. You can put that partner code. Let me go back. Just in case someone wants to screenshot. Yeah, if you want to screenshot, you can just do a screenshot. Okay, I believe we screenshotted it. Okay, okay. So let's go. So you just put your name. You can put the partner code like that. So you register with them. They are reliable broker. We've used them and we have a whole lot of money with them. So the first one is bad broker. The second one is using card or pirated trading bots. Most of these guys, they're code trading bots. Most of us are code trading bots. They are like there's this particular thing we put in the trading board that is not visible. Don't let me go there. So pirated trading board, just be careful with pirated trading board. Most of the trading boards are a my account. And one of the things about pirated, it can never be like original. It can never trade like the original board. It can never. Another thing that affects is fundamental news, unforeseen news, like all this Trump, Iran war and all that. They settled the war, they came back, all those things. They affect trading boards a lot. But here we put a lot of things in place. We put a lot of risk management in place, which I'm going to show you. Poor risk management settings and over leveraging can make bots fail. And unreliable VPS. See, RoboForex VPS is one of the best I've seen. I'm telling you. That's why I decided to use them. Aside from being the broker, the VPS they give to you is one of the best. Very fast. That can even accommodate more than 2, 3, 4 accounts. The one we do pay maybe $25 for cannot take more than one trading account. If you put two, it's not misbehaving. But they are very good. I don't know how they are doing it. So what do we do differently? Yeah, you've been hearing a lot of things. We do a lot of things differently. We built our bots here. I will show you. We built our bots. They are not crowd bots. We designed them here. And we update them. We optimize them. And one of the things I do, let me just tell you, and this is why most of the trading bots out there fail. So anytime I design a trading bot, I will test the trading bot with, I can do 10 years historical data. So once I've done that, I will not do what we call data analysis. This one is not everybody out there that can do it. I will do data analysis. So I will check this bot, which day or which day of the week is this bot like the best time this bot trade most. So I know how to do my data analysis. So I'll analyze it in a way that, okay, averagely I'll know, oh, this bot trade Monday, Tuesday. That's why you see most of our bots, they don't trade on Friday. Because for my data analysis, I saw, oh, Friday, most of the bots, the strategy doesn't work well on Friday. So most of our bots by 10 a.m. Nigerian time stop trading because of what I've done. So I know some period that our board doesn't, like the trading board, the strategy doesn't work. I will not allow the board to trade during that period. I will have put in so many things in place. I know some months that, oh, this month from the historical data this month. So I factor everything into it. Another thing is that I can design an AI in machine learning that will learn those historical data for 10 years. And they can study the market itself. They study it. So I feed those historical data to an AI to learn the pattern. So before I place any trade, the trade will be sent to the AI in the server. This thing happens in milliseconds. It is sent to the AI will check it based on the data the AI has. That, oh, is this trade safe to be placed? And if the trade is safe, it will go ahead. If it's not safe, it will knock it off. We are doing a lot here. So another thing we do is our board we design it to follow trend. They follow trend. They don't fight with trend. Maybe gold is buying, they'll be selling. Gold is selling, they'll be buying. No, if the trend is sell, you can say our board trade only sell trade for months. Like, this board doesn't place buy. Can place buy for 2 months. This board doesn't place sell. That's how we design. They follow the trend. If the trend is downward trend, we place buy till the trend reverse. So our bots are not martingale. Before you close that 2, 4, 5, 6, 7 trade, we don't trade like that. And I said I integrated machine learning in selected bots. It's not all our bots because machine learning is not something that is easy to design like that. So, but some of our bots has machine learning. We design machine learning for some of our bots, and our bots are platform compatible. Some of them, not all of them. And I can even show you some of the accounts. I mentioned data analysis. This one I do it a lot. I analyze the data from the historical data, what the bot has done, and I use it to my advantage. If you've not learned anything, this is another thing to learn. So this is how my work depth looks like. I don't just you can see some of the board. I just did a screenshot to show you. Do you get it? So I code them myself. It's not that somebody gave it to me. Oh yeah, I need to somebody I gave it to someone to code. We design all our boards ourselves. I design, I modify, do different things, and so this is one of the boards I'm actually working. This is my latest board I'm working on, the Smart Signal EA. You can say I'm designing it. So let's proceed. Now I want us to listen to this testimonial before I show you some of the interesting things we have.
Enter into a trade without any analysis, without risk management. All of a sudden, the trade is going against you. Before you know, you are thrown out of the market in a loss. You decided to trade with a bot. One moment, the bot is on profit, in fact, almost doubling your account. Before you place a withdrawal, the bot has blown your account. You decided to copy trade. While copy trading, your account is going on a profit. All of a sudden, the account is on margin call. Ladies and gentlemen, my name is Antonio Kubo. You just had my experience while trading Forex. In fact, I was at the verge of quitting Forex when a call came from OTE. OTE is Optimal Expert Limited. I decided to get import from them. As at the time of making this video, I'm already 3 months old using their bot. I will tell you for free that I've not experienced one loss using their bot. Their risk management is 500%, meaning that your capital is highly protected. The bot guarantees you consistent profits. As we speak now, I'm at the comfort of my zone trading with OTE bots. This is it. So you want a system you can plug in, a system you can run with, a system that guarantees consistent profit. OTE got your back. Cheers, gentlemen.
So you can hear he said our risk management is what do you call 500% or so we're sharing risk management here. There is nobody. Let me tell you, actually, you can't satisfy everybody. You will say, all our clients is 100%. Is not is a lie. You should know that. So you can't satisfy everybody. But I can tell you for free that more than 95% of our clients, they are okay, they are happy with us. And more than 95, let me say 98% of our clients that have come to us have not lost money with our bots. It's not possible. I have some occasion whereby a client will be trading, the bot will be placing trade, the client will be trading at the end of the day. On his trade, we jam with the bot trade and the account will get wiped off. That's why I don't, it's part of our T&C. We don't advise you trading on the, if you want to trade, create your own account, separate it. Do you get it? So most of our clients that have passed through, that have patronized us, they have a good testimony. So let me show you. This is one of our bots, which is called OT Premium. Um, is it trade gold, and it can do potential return between 10 to 15% on monthly basis. That's what this bot can do. We've been using this bot for long, and we can show you the FS book, the investor part if you want to see it. So this is one of the monsters we have here. But this, let me say, this is like our baby bot. So we sell it for $300. That's what we sell. Let me tell you, all our bots, because it's expensive. I want to buy $100, $20. I've seen a lot of people that will go and buy the $20. They even found bigger amounts. At the end of the day, you can buy a bot of $20, put $1,000, to wipe it off. They still come back to come and patronize us. So this bot we modified. We've done so many things with this bot. We've done different version of this bot because I design any little thing I see the market is doing, I modify any little thing, modify. So it trades 24/5. That's 5 times a day and 24 hours. It's always in the market 24/7. But when the market is open 5 times a week, it's always there in the market. No AI filter or machine learning in this spot. We don't have that. It is fully automated and we don't do anything. We have the FS book investor password available if you want to see it. Let me show you. I'm still going to take you to the website where you see this one is double of that one. When we design the Orion reversion pool, when we design the OT premium, some people will say, we want something that can make more money. We want something that can make more money. So we not design the Orion reversion pro. The Orion reversion pro can do times 2 of that. A lot of people can testify that they can do times 2 of that. And you can make between 20 to 30. That one can make 10 to 15. You can make 20 to 30. Even more, depending on your risk appetite. So we sell this for $500 for 5 years. It comes with 5 years license. I'm going to show you all this thing. No machine learning in this. It's compatible with Profem. You can use for Profem, fully automated. You have a Facebook. So this is Orion AI. This one is, let's remove cap. Also trade gold, can do the same. This Orion AI and Orion Reversion Pro, they are the same algorithm. I'm being sincere with you. The difference between them, the Orion Reversion Pro and the Orion AI, is that this particular one, I added machine learning into it. So before you place a single trade, it will call to our server. And why it's more expensive is because anyone that, all our bots, they call to our server for one thing or the other. But before, for this, anybody using this Orion, I think we pay about $12 for the API for the bot to be able to work for you every month. $12. That's what we pay for the bot from our own end, for the AI to be able to forward the AI for you. And you multiply it. You are going to use it for 5 years. If you multiply it times 12, that's 144. If I'm not mistaken, that's a year. 144 times 5 for 5 years, that will be maybe about 700 and something. That's what if you use it for 5 years, that's what we are going to be paying. You can see why it's expensive. So that is why it's expensive. The other ones, we have some fee we pay, and also we're a company. It's not just individual. We pay tax, we pay VAT, we pay the government, we pay so many things. So this one has machine learning. You can use for Profem. We have the investor password. This one is a new advanced algorithm. that I just designed, not the one I showed you that I'm designing. This one I've been design is already working. This one can make 30 to 50%. This one is a monster. It can make a whole lot of money for you. You can, and we sell it for 1,002. It's an advanced algorithm you can use for profit. It's fully automated. So this some of our clients are saying, "Pass, congratulations on passing your first step towards becoming FTMO trader." This madam too, you can see, started on the this April 1st, and between April 1st to April 10th, she has passed the 100K challenge of FTMO. This is another this is another client. So we have a lot of them. Let me just show you something before I proceed. So this website, for example, otetraders.online. Okay, let me just go to the main website. Okay, so this is the main website. You can see them here. So you can read more about them. otetraders.online. You can read more about the bot here. This is the amount in naira. Let me just show you something. You can see that this one is not the kind of bot you can see anywhere. So let me log into. So here, once you log in, you can register. Once you register, you can come here to get the bot, get trading bot. Let's say you want to get this Orion, you can click this place. If you want to get Orion version Pro, you click. You can get this bot anywhere. Let's just try the OT Premium. You click on Pay Now. So you can make full payment. You can pay with bank. You can pay with Paystack. You can pay with crypto. So Paystack, this is the price. Paystack will take some charges. Crypto, you just pay the exact amount in crypto. Bank, no, it's zero charges. So these are bank accounts. You upload your proof of payment, and it will be approved for you. So if you want to make part payment, so because you are paying part payment, there are some additional. You click it. Part payment attract 10% overall. So if you have the money to do full payment, you can just make full payment. So after that, you can, maybe you are paying Paystack, it's going to generate the account. So this is how to make the payment. This is what I want to show you. You go to my bot, and this is a new server where we are moving all our clients to. We've started it, and we started moving some of them, and the new people are on this server. This is a different server that we use. Before now, we do most of the things manually, but now we are fully automated. So let me check this. You can go to account. So you can add more license. You'll be given 5 license. You can see 5 license. So you can increase the license. Just click here. You add more license. You can extend. It's for 5 years. You can extend it to 10 years. You just pay a token. You can upgrade it. Maybe you're on premium. You want to upgrade to Orion. You can upgrade. And also, if you want to download the bot, you go to this place. Once you pay for the bot, you can see the instruction. So you can download the bot. You can download the manual. You can even watch the setup video, how to set it up. Here, this is how to download the bot. So let me show you on this particular platform, you can pause your trading. That's what I want to show you. Instead of going to the VPS, maybe you want to increase your lot size. You don't need to reach out to us. You can just click update my lot size. Maybe you are doing 0.02. You want to increase your lot size to 0.03. So you just accept the TNC because we have a recommended lot size you put, but if you just want to increase it, like you want more, you just submit. Once you've done that, your lot size request will be applied immediately, and you get a mail once it is done. So your next trade, the lot size will have increased. See, the lot size now is 0.03. So if you want to pause your trade, for example, maybe you don't want to trade, you can just click here, pause trade. So your trade will just get paused immediately. So no trading activity will go on your account. This is what you can do from your back end on the website once you make payment. So this is where all our clients, we have this kind of dashboard. This is a new improvement. All our clients, we have this kind of, maybe you want to close all your trade. Instead of going to your phone, hey, where's my phone? You can just close it from here. You can pause your trade here by yourself without stress. So this is a new improvement. And I can bet you with you, this kind of thing is not what you have come across anywhere. So you can give us a round of applause. Thank you. So let's proceed. We're almost done. So this is another FTMO passed. Let's listen to another testimony from this madam before we end it.
Hello, my name is Love. I used to be a manual trader until I discovered OTE Academy School of Automation through my friend. So I registered on the 9th of March 2026. Even though I had no coding experience, the training was practical easy to follow, and well detailed. I learned how to code and backtest trading bots and how to optimize them for better performance. I also learned the business side of forex trading. I want to use this opportunity to appreciate the CEO of OTE Academy School of Automation, Mr. Lalowa, and also his team of staff. They are wonderful people. And I say, may God bless them richly in Jesus' name. Through OTE Academy School of Automation, by God's grace, right now as we speak, I'm now an automated trader. So, if you're serious about trading and you want to master automation the right way, I highly recommend OTE Academy School of Automation, and you'll be glad you did. Thank you.
So when I met this madam, she was like, can I learn how to trade? I can't learn how to trade. I'm too old. I'm this, I'm that. And I told her, my oldest client is 73 years or 75 years. I told her, and now she's doing well for herself. She's really doing very well for herself when it comes to forestry. And she has gone to different places. And that can be your story. Let me introduce you to OTE Academy, the School of Automation. In the School of Automation, this is our academy where you learn. This is where most academy will stop. They teach you the general knowledge, forex. They teach you everything, and they stop there. But guess what? We are going to show you the business side of trade. I mentioned it in the beginning of this webinar that we have more than 8 other businesses you can do. We got 9 businesses you can do aside from buying and selling that you are not aware of. The one most people are becoming an IB referring to people. That's not it. There are more other businesses you can do that can give you a lot of money, which we are going to show you. We teach you how to code your own trading bot. You can code trading bot like this without stress. We are going to show you that also how to code your first trading bot is something we can show you. And you have access to our trading bot library. We have a library with over 250 trading bots that you can work with. They are pirated bots, they are cracked EAs. I must be sincere with you. Most of the bots you buy on Telegram for $50, you see practically all of them on our trading bot library. All of them. So some of them you can start with it, you can start developing, see the strategy, you can add your strategy from what you learn and all that. You get something for yourself and you can start selling. And let's see some of the feedback. These are trading bot library. You can see the file. Now I said 350, we have about 391 files. There you can see different bots you can work with. So you can see some of there is only a chat group where our what's it called, our student, they are chatting. He said, I built this bot myself, so this is my result. If you're interested, send me a DM, we can connect, blah blah. So he said, this is a game changer, please, for God's sake, backtest this bot on sent account. They communicate, they send the bots to them. Thank you, Mr. Kazim. I want. So they reach out to each other, they talk, they reach out, they communicate. You can see all their conversation, 75 winning rate. But they design, they develop by themselves. So they relate with each other. Do you get? So you can see this one. Backtesting is very interesting if you have the right tool. It really give me joy since yesterday. I am proud of my mentor, Mr. Ola, for giving me the opportunity to learn and grow in EA backtesting. So all these things you are going to learn it. See this one. You say more testimony, please. Mr. Ola really did a very gigantic job for everyone. Let's make him proud. So, and I know someone will like, this academy, how much do you charge? Is it 1 million? Is it this academy? I just give the academy. Before now, the academy was showing at 50,000. That's what our academy is. But now I made it 100,000 because I want everybody to actually learn one thing or the other from us. So we make the academy just 100,000, and you can pay online. You can just go to tacademy.online. You can register. I'm going to show you. So I know a lot of people will be like, what's the next thing now? I've had a lot today. What's the next phase for me? What should I do next? It's very simple. You can decide to learn. Knowledge is power, like they say. Master the skill, build your finance. You can learn. And to learn, you can just do screenshot of this page. Go to oteacademy.online. You enroll, make your payment 100,000 naira, and you start learning. It's online. You don't need to come 12 p.m., 12 a.m. We know everybody is busy. We prepare the course and everything. And I'm just a chat away. If you don't understand anything, you chat me up. I'm there for you. So you can send the chat to us here. You can reach out to me on this number also. This is our number. And you can decide to remove. You don't have the time to learn. You can remove the L and start learning immediately. So for you to earn, or you can learn you can earn while learning at the same time. You want to do the two together. You go to ottraders.online, you register, you pick a bot you want, you make your payment, and boom, you are good to go. My team, myself, we're always available to help you, to support you. We have a team, we have a group where we added all our clients that have our bots, that have our training. We have a group for them where they communicate, we pass information to them, and so on and so forth. So I want to thank you for spending this time with us today. We appreciate you and looking forward to supporting you in your trading journey. All social medias, you can check us out at OTE Traders. You can check us on WhatsApp. This is our WhatsApp number. I will be there on the WhatsApp number if you have any questions to ask me. On Telegram, you can chat me on this Telegram. You can send a mail to this support@otitraders.com. You can send to support@otitraders.online as well. It will still go. So, but you can just set this is the main one. You can send to this. Just do a screenshot for our academy or our trading bot. You can go to this academy. You can go to. And some people say, "Do you have a physical office? I want to come to your office." This is our physical office. Oluwalogbon Motors, Obafemi Awolowo Way, Ikeja, Alausa in Ikeja. We are the heart of Lagos. If you're in Lagos, you're always welcome in our office. So don't forget this is our WhatsApp number. Just do a screenshot of this page. I want to thank you once again for taking your time out. We see